Kung brunch ang usapan, may bagong dahilan para mag-set ng weekend plans sa Clark. Mas pinalawak ng Estos ang dining experience nito sa launch ng kanilang all-new menu at Bottomless Brunch. Parang na-curious ako dun sa Bottomless Brunch. Tara, alamin natin. Ipinakilala na nga ng Estos Restaurant dito sa Central Park Square, Clark, ang kanilang Bottomless Brunch. Isang dining concept na available tuwing Friday, Saturday, until Sunday from 11 a.m. hanggang 2 p.m. According to Estos owner and chef Al Fernando, the concept behind the new menu is to offer dishes that are light and satisfying, meals that leave diners feeling comfortably full without being too heavy.
Bottomless Brunch, I want it to be very light lang yung mga food, and then very international yung flavor. So, I want to have it, parang unlimited siya. Unlimited, but at the same time, parang a la carte yung style. Parang per plate pa rin siya. Then you can taste every plate. Parang, hindi siya very fully at this, yung isa lang na dessert.
Aniya, ang Bottomless Brunch ay isang a la carte yet unlimited experience o sitting buffet kung saan isa-serve ang bawat course sa mesa ng customer.
Yeah, we want to promote yung brunch menu namin. Yung timing kasi niya is for yun nga, yung mga nag-o-office, yung mga nag-run, yung very light lang yung gusto nila. Hindi ayaw nila yung mga pang main answer, parang mga pang breakfast.
Priced at 1,599 pesos, the 7-course Bottomless Brunch is a feast of sweet and savory flavors. It begins with a ramen egg, followed by a rich and creamy eggs Benedict. Diners can then indulge in the buttery, flaky smoked salmon croissant pizza. Then, the flavorful Turkish egg on flatbread. And the fresh, vibrant croissant avocado toast. To end the meal on a sweet note, guests are served these fluffy pancakes. At meron ding warm, crisp honey butter toast paired with a refreshing mimosa. Creating a well-balanced brunch experience that is both indulgent and satisfying. Samantala, bukas ang Estos Restaurant araw-araw mula 11 a.m. hanggang 10 p.m. kung saan available pa rin ang kanilang regular menu.
I want to invite everyone here at Estos. We are open on Friday and Saturday for our brunch, 11 to 2 p.m. So this is a la carte but unlimited menu. So hopefully you can try it out. This is a promotion for us to promote yung brunch menu.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.